kids! Are you ready to draw and color something super cute? Today we are going to draw a happy little seal. Let's start! First we draw our seal slowly and gently. Now, let's use a black sketch pen and trace the lines to make our drawing dark and bold. Wow! It looks amazing! Now comes the most fun part, coloring. First we use blue color for the water. Next, we colored the seal's body with green color. Let's use orange color for the seed's cute little nose. And finally, we use white color for the eyes to make them shine. Wow kids, our seed looks so cute and colorful. If you enjoy this drawing, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing and coloring videos. See you next time. Bye bye kids.